Deep within the world's densest jungles lie secrets that defy explanation. From ancient lost cities and bizarre creatures to unexplainable structures hidden beneath the canopy. These recent jungle discoveries didn't just stun scientists, they blew up the internet. Are we rewriting history or uncovering something the world was never meant to find? Let's explore the strangest jungle finds that have everyone talking. The lost city of the monkey god, Honduras' hidden civilization. Deep in the Mesquite rainforest of Honduras, a team of explorers made a staggering discovery in 2015. A lost city rumored for centuries and dubbed the White City, or the City of the Monkey God. Using LiDAR, light detection and ranging technology from a plane, researchers uncovered the outlines of pyramids, plazas, and massive earthworks buried beneath thick jungle canopy. What followed was an Indiana Jones-level expedition. When archaeologists trekked in, they found stone sculptures half buried in the soil, untouched for 500 years. What shocked the internet wasn't just the existence of this unknown civilization, it was the eerie aftermath. Several of the team members developed a rare and aggressive flesh-eating parasite called leishmaniasis from the jungle. It was as if the forest had guarded its secrets for centuries and wasn't ready to let them go easily. Giant, mysterious handprints found in the Amazon. In a remote part of the Amazon rainforest in Brazil, strange, massive handprints were discovered on rock walls in a cave system in Serra da Capivara National Park. Unlike typical petroglyphs, these weren't made by adult humans. They were child-sized but freakishly large and elongated. Some were thought to be 10,000 years old. But here's the kicker. A few prints had 6 fingers. Reddit and TikTok blew up with theories, ranging from ancient aliens to lost tribes of giants. Skeptics proposed explanations like smudging during paint application or ceremonial exaggeration. But no one has definitively explained them. Even mainstream scientists admit they're puzzled by the scale and number of digits. The jungle that eats, the Cambodian temple swallowed by nature. The internet went wild when images surfaced of Ta Prohm, a 12th century Khmer temple in Cambodia, completely overtaken by giant strangler fig trees. Massive roots drape over the stone structures like octopus tentacles. At first glance, it looks like something out of Tomb Raider, because it literally was. But this temple isn't just visually stunning. It sparked theories that the jungle isn't just reclaiming space, it's evolving with it. Researchers found that the roots had grown in such harmony with the stone that removing them could collapse entire walls. Nature had not only reclaimed the temple, but integrated it into its own ecosystem. Some even speculate this organic fusion is nature's way of preserving what humans abandon, almost like a conscious effort. Creepy? Absolutely. Amazon's geoglyphs, the signs we were never alone. When vast sections of the Amazon rainforest were cleared for development in Brazil, archaeologists didn't expect to find one of the most compelling mysteries of our time. Beneath the canopy lay hundreds of geometric earthworks, circles, squares, and complex patterns etched into the soil. These geoglyphs span miles and are too precise to be anything but man-made. Here's the wild part. These structures predate the rainforest. That's right. Scientists now believe parts of the Amazon were once open land where large civilizations flourished. Indigenous oral histories had long claimed this, but few outside the region believed them until these massive designs surfaced. Now experts estimate that millions may have lived there, rivaling any old world civilization. The idea that the Amazon was always an untouched wilderness? Debunked. Skeleton Lake, the Himalayan mystery with a jungle twist. While not in a traditional jungle, the haunting discovery at Rupkund Lake in the Indian Himalayas bears mention for its eerie jungle-adjacent setting. Hundreds of human skeletons were discovered around the lake, some dating back to the 9th century. But what's especially strange is how they died. Most had similar skull fractures, as if struck by massive hailstones. Theories ranged from ancient rituals to a freak natural event. But one twist grabbed the internet's attention. DNA testing revealed that many of the skeletons came from the eastern Mediterranean. How did people from Europe end up dying in a remote Himalayan jungle basin centuries ago? No one knows. And the mystery gets murkier the more we learn. The screaming trees of the Congo. This one sounds like a horror movie plot. In the thick jungles of the Congo basin, researchers and locals have reported trees that make eerie, high-pitched wailing noises, especially at night. These sounds were once dismissed as wind passing through oddly shaped tree hollows. But in 2021, researchers using specialized audio equipment discovered that certain trees emit subsonic frequencies that aren't audible to the naked ear but may affect human behavior. TikTok users went nuts over footage showing motionless jungle scenes paired with subtle, spine-tingling tones. Some claimed it triggered nausea or unease just from watching the video. Scientists are still studying whether these sounds are part of a defense mechanism or a byproduct of the tree's anatomy. But either way, you won't catch most people camping out there voluntarily anymore. The boiling river, Peru's unexplained natural oven. Hidden deep in the Peruvian Amazon lies a river that literally boils. Known to locals as Timpishka, or boiled with the heat of the sun, this river reaches temperatures up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93 degrees Celsius. What's crazy is that it's not near any volcanic activity, which defies basic geothermal science. When geoscientist Andres Russo brought the river to global attention, internet users lost their minds. People theorized everything from underground magma chambers to ancient alien heating technology. As if the heat wasn't enough, wildlife that accidentally falls in is cooked instantly. This isn't just a hot spring, it's a deadly natural cauldron hidden in the jungle. The Forest of Statues, Colombia's prehistoric guardians. In the jungles of San Agustin, Colombia, archaeologists uncovered an enormous collection of stone statues, some over 13 feet tall, depicting humans, animals, and supernatural creatures. The area, now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to the largest group of religious monuments in South America. The thing is, no one knows who made them or why. The civilization responsible disappeared over 1,000 years ago without leaving written records. Some of the figures have disturbingly modern features, like wide, cartoonish eyes or geometric patterns that resemble modern tattoos. And the alignment of the statues? They're placed along astronomical lines, sparking theories of alien contact, or at least deep astronomical knowledge that rivals modern systems. Jungle beasts once thought to be myth. Internet sleuths and cryptid fans got a treat when camera traps in the jungles of Sumatra and the Congo captured blurry but tantalizing footage of animals previously thought to be myths. The billy ape, a giant chimp-like creature said to be 6 feet tall and capable of walking upright, was caught on film. Not only are these apes real, they exhibit behavior closer to gorillas, but are genetically distinct from any known species. In Indonesia, rumors of a creature called orang pendek, a small bipedal humanoid, resurfaced after new footprints were found in deep jungle regions. Cryptozoologists argue this might be a relic hominid species. Critics scoff, but the footage and prints keep piling up. Jungle myths have a funny way of becoming fact when enough people start looking. The cursed idol of the Amazon. An eerie statue unearthed in Brazil's remote jungle in 2018 sparked more than just academic interest. This strange idol, carved from black stone and etched with unreadable symbols, was found near a site associated with violent tribal clashes. Since its discovery, 3 researchers involved in its excavation reported night terrors, hallucinations, and violent illnesses that couldn't be traced to known diseases. It didn't help those social media influencers visiting the site documented sudden, unexplained power losses in their equipment, despite full batteries. Some even claim to feel an overwhelming sense of dread near the idol. While skeptics point to environmental factors or mass suggestion, the stories continue to fuel a legend of a cursed object better left untouched. The jungle has always held secrets, but what we're discovering now feels like something out of science fiction. As technology peels back the green curtain, we may only be scratching the surface of what lies hidden beneath. If these stories amazed you too, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us which jungle mystery gave you chills.